Have a reliable daily driver with lots of power with a Eunorau Commuter FAT-AWD electric bike. This beautiful FAT-AWD bike sports a uniquely innovative all-wheel drive with a 250-watt motor in the front wheel hub and a 350-watt motor in the rear wheel hub. Expect excellent grip and quick power like an all-wheel drive car. It is among the very few electric bikes that feature an all-wheel drive setup. You can choose to drive with both motors or the rear motor only. Needless to say, you will have no problems riding uphill or over bumps. This model has a 48-volt lithium-ion battery pack with 15.6 amp-hour capacity that lasts a range of 40 miles on the single motor mode, so it has more than enough for a day. The Eunorau Commuter FAT-AWD electric bike features a half-twist throttle and a pedal assist. The throttle gives power in your hands to speed on the road effortlessly. The pedal assist is hooked to a torque sensor that provides accurate torque to ease pedaling. The bike also has a 7-speed Shimano thumb shifter to control and ride it like an ordinary bike. It is a capable electric bike made for durability. The bike has a 6061 aluminum frame that is not prone to rust. It has rims with stainless steel spokes and Kenda tires with K-shield protection to deal with harsh terrain and protect against punctures.
Get yours now and have it delivered right to your doorstep. You can buy it from us at the lowest price guaranteed, with free shipping and no sales tax outside Wyoming. Simply click on the link down in the description below, or you can contact us at 800-590-2738. Experience paradise at electricbikeparadise.com.